Welcome home. Your Sunriver Resort living dreams can begin right here, at this charming North End cabin. Your special touches will create the perfect place to bring family and friends to enjoy all that Central Oregon has to offer. Vaulted open spaces with stone and wood accents bring nature into the home. Enjoy the wood-burning fireplace on cool nights. Open easy flow in the common spaces and open lovely view to the common area out back. Bring family and friends to your perfect Sunriver cabin, just a minute or two from the Deschutes River. The dining area is just right and within easy reach of the kitchen pass-through. Eating bar adds extra seating at the kitchen peninsula.